Palm Beach West in Met Park, Pasay City. So ready for occupancy na po ito. Lahat ng unit ay may early move-in option or rent to own. So if you have questions or inquiries, just let me know. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung actual unit. So yeah, invest now in Met Park, Bay Area by Federal Land. Palm Beach West Unit 16J in Coron Tower. 2-bedroom unit, 38 square meter. Ready for occupancy with early move-in terms or rent to own. This is located in Met Park in Bay Area near Macapagal Boulevard. So yeah, check it out today and invest now in Federal Land. Three-bedroom unit in Coron Tower in Palm Beach West, located in Met Park, Pasay City, along the Bay Area. So very spacious, 3-bedroom unit, ready for occupancy. We have here early move-in promo. We also have rent to own options. So yeah, if you're looking for a property here in Bay Area, just let me know. Palm Beach West in Met Park by Federal Land Inc. For the unit DE, this is the view. You will have the bay view over there. So inquire now. We have here 40% discount for cash payment. Imagine that, ready for occupancy, but still have 40% discount. Message me for more info.